Hello sir, my name is Unagar Shreya and 18 series 119. Today I am discuss topic about WiMAX in wireless communication. Overview of WiMAX is an introduction, definition of WiMAX, working of WiMAX, WiMAX scenario, technical details, MAC layer, architecture, features, benefits, limitations, and uses of WiMAX and conclusion. Introduction. Think about Internet, a worldwide publicity accessible and series of interconnected computer network. Main uses of transmit data, communication and web application. Three ways to access Internet. First of all, broadband, second, dial-up connection, and third, Wi-Fi. Accessing network without any wires, conveyance and erase of SSCs. Example of Wi-Fi: low data transfer, less coverage. New wireless technology should promise is a high speed and broad coverage. Its technology is a WiMAX. Definition of WiMAX is a worldwide interoperability for microwave access. It is a new telecommunication technology aims at providing wireless network data over long distance. This wireless technology is designed to provide the last mile of high-speed internet access as well as nomadic service. It's based on IEEE 802.16 wireless MAN. WiMAX system consists of a tower and receiver. Working of WiMAX is first of all ISP network connect through a wired connection is a internet backbone and it means head of network. Then ISP network connect via wired connection through WiMAX 802.16 transmitter, and after all BTS towers are connect wireless connection through a different region. Scenario of WiMAX is a consider a scenario where a WiMAX enabled computer is 10 miles away from the WiMAX base station. A special encryption code is given to computer to gain access to base station. The base station would bring data from the internet required for a computer at speed potentially higher than today's cable modems. The user would pay the provide monthly free for using the services is a low cost and better speed. The WiMAX protocol is designed to accommodate several different methods of data transmission, one of which is a voice over internet protocol. Almost anyone with the laptop could make a voice over internet protocol. Technical details of WiMAX is a term considered to describe standard interoperable implementation of IEEE 802.16 wireless network. Standard of WiMAX is a range is equal to 30 miles for base station and speed of WiMAX is 70 megabits per second. Frequency band of 2 to 11 gigahertz for a license band and 10 to 66 gigahertz for a unlicensed band. Definition: both MAC layer and physical layer and allow multiple physical layer specifications. MAC layer and data link layer in WiMAX uses a scaled algorithm for which the subscriber station need to complete only once for initial entry into the network. A time slot is allocated to the subscriber by the base station. The time slot can change but remains signed to the subscriber station. Stability is achieved by the allowing the base station to control QoS parameter by balancing the time slot assignment written application needs. Architecture of WiMAX is two types of architecture. First of all, point-to-point architecture and point-to multipoint architecture. This is a figure of point-to-point architecture. Is a WiMAX base station is connected via WiMAX base station is a point-to-point architecture. Point-to multipoint architecture is a central office is a internet backbone is a connector between internet public and private network, and WiMAX base station is a connect through a central office, and a corporate branch offices, small business, residence areas, and Wi-Fi hotspot is a connect via WiMAX subscriber unit and a WiMAX base station. Feature of WiMAX is a scalability, quality of services, range and coverage. Advantages of WiMAX is a speed and wireless connection and coverage of broadband. Uses of WiMAX is a Wi-Fi hotspot can be interconnected without any wires. It provides a wireless alternative to cable and DSL connection for a last mile broadband access. It can provide high-speed data rate and telecommunication services, providing nomadic connectivity. Limitations of WiMAX is a error rate is a increase when operate over maximum range and capacities. Lower shared bandwidth in case of too many active users. System upgradation for current computers is required to receive WiMAX transmissions. Future development in WiMAX. Long-term goal for WiMAX is to achieve 100 megabits per second in mobile and 1 gigabits per second in a fixed nomadic bandwidth. Difference between Wi-Fi and WiMAX. Wi-Fi is IEEE 802.11x standard version, and WiMAX is IEEE 802.16y standard version. Wi-Fi is for LAN, it means local area network application, and WiMAX is MAN, it means Metapolite area network application. Wi-Fi network range is around 100 meters, and WiMAX network can reach about 15 to 90 kilometers. Wi-Fi connection oriented Wi-Fi protocol is CSMA and CA, not connection oriented, and Wi-Fi is connection oriented in nature. Wi-Fi connection can transmit up to 54 megabits per second, and WiMAX connection can transmit up to 70 megabits per second. Conclusion of WiMAX. Speed, broad coverage, mobility, portability are the major concern for a wireless network, and WiMAX has all these properties, hence it has the potential to substitute 3G and becomes a promising 4G network. Thank you, sir.